All right, May 21st, 2022. Just a small update on the garden. It's really hot today. It's like 95 degrees. So we have some seedlings over here. We got the cucumbers, we got tomatoes, watermelon, and then I forget what that is, something else. These peppers, they're not doing so good. They've been that size for a while. I don't think those are gonna go in the garden. Same thing with the tomatoes over here. So those will probably just go to waste, unfortunately. But we're just trying out some different things. So today, made this new in-ground bed. Just put down some cardboard. Threw a bunch of soil, compost, all kinds of stuff on it. Wet it all down. Gonna put some corn and watermelon there, I think. So we're gonna have a walkway over here, and then it's gonna go this way and then connect to the fence door over there. Still got the apple trees over there, they're doing well. Over here we got a few new strawberry plants. Oh, and that's Kona. Hi, Kona. She protects the garden, so it's good to have. Keep that groundhog away and all the birds and stuff. So there's a new strawberry plant that I got today. Here's another one. This one's quinault. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's that one. It's the same one as some of these, I think. Those are quinault as well. And then there's another one that I got today. Potatoes are all doing really good. No issues yet. No real damage. They're all dark green, looking good. Tomatoes in the ground. Those are looking good as well. Those I grew from seed. Whenever you see those little things right there, pull those out. Those will just, they're called suckers. They pull the life out of the plant, basically. So pull those out. Okay. Then we got pepper plant. So this one's actually candy cane pepper plant. I've never heard of that before, so we're trying that one out. Just got that put in a little while ago, watered it in, put some cover on it. It's a good idea to have the cover there to protect the soil from drying up. Got another pepper there. And one more pepper here. More tomatoes. An extra little guy over here. All these green beans looking good. Last but not least, onions, all looking good. All right, that's it for today. Have a good one.